Hey guys, just want to jump on the video real quick and just let you know that we are so happy and so appreciative to everyone out there who purchased for Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and our huge Cyber Monday sale. Thank you from Chelly. Chelly's actually out right now with Donovan grabbing dinner, but we just wanted to just make this quick little video just to let you guys know that to show our appreciation. As you can see in the background, Cyber Monday sale has been extended. So we're still getting a lot of emails, a lot of messages, a lot of TikToks, a lot of comments about people missing the sales that we did. So Chelly and I last night, if you notice, you guys are noticing 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock this morning, you didn't see website prices change. So everything that's done on the website is done by me. I do it manually, but you notice nothing changed. So we didn't change it because last night, like 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe, we decided, there's a lot of people out there who miss these sales, and you guys we always want to make our price as low as possible. So let us test the analytics, let us test the data. And if you guys seem to continue to react to these low prices that we have on the website, we have the 22 by 24, normally $20. We have that on sale right now for $15.99. We have the brand new 22 by 36, which is on sale, which is normally $24.99. That is on sale for $20.99. And we have our big mega 22 by 60. Which is normally $44.99, but we have that on sale for $34.99. So we marked $10 off of that big one, off of that big 22 by 60, which you guys seem to love. So we are just going to continue to collect data, continue to collect information from you guys. You guys seem to be really reacting to these sales. So if you guys like them and maybe this is the new sweet spot, we may consider leaving, or we may consider this price of where everything is now. Because again, we are all just about passing the savings on to you guys. So again, to show appreciation for everybody out there who purchased for Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday, you really help a small business like us. In those 3 days, we've done like the best we've done all year, and that's because of you, the customer. So to show appreciation, again, we are extending the Cyber Monday sale. How long? We don't know. But as long as you guys continue to show support, as long as you guys continue to buy, and you guys seem to really like this price, hey, it might become permanent going into 2023. We do have an idea for the Christmas sale coming up, but those Christmas pre-made gang sheets are only $15 anyway. So they're actually cheaper. The pre-made all gang sheets are only $15. So really take advantage of all these prices. The pre-made gang sheet price will never change. It's just the amount that we have. So we're dealing with so much between the website, the children. We're just dealing with a lot. Chelly's foot, she's due for another foot surgery after that. So we're just dealing with a lot. But again, we appreciate all of your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much from Carl and Chelly and Marianne and the entire Flash Custom Transfers family. Guys, go right now. Take advantage of the sales. Take advantage, guys. We're just passing the savings on to you guys. Go ahead. Take advantage of it. Tell your friends, hey, Flash Custom Transfers got a sale going on. Their prices are the lowest. But we already did have low prices. And again, with the sale, not like the Black Friday sale. We are almost done. Anybody out there who anybody out there who purchased on Black Friday, please submit your images. Please submit your images so we can get them done. Because we have so many other things going on. We don't want to continue to, behind the scenes purposes and numbers and stuff like that, we want to get all those orders that were done that day. We like to stay kind of ahead of the game so we don't get backlogged in paperwork and who worked this time and how many hours did they work and how many orders did they place and stuff like that for our team here at Flash Custom Transfers. So please, if you've placed an order on Black Friday and we've emailed you, hey, can you please send in your images? Please do that. Moving forward, we're almost done with that. You guys do have the ability to purchase and send in your images at a later time with the extended sale, because this part of the sale could maybe, I don't want to get anybody excited, but could maybe be 2023 and beyond's permanent price. So this sale is kind of to see, hey, maybe the people really like it enough. Maybe we should drop our price to this. So again, just leave your comments down below if you guys would like this price, or if the $19.99 price, because once we hit $19.99 at the beginning of the year, we actually were at $30 for 2021. And then we dropped down to $19.99 for 2022. So maybe 2023, we will drop down to the prices that you see on the website now. Again, thank you for all your support, guys. Be basic. Peace.